Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. This is Loutolim village in South Goa. So I'm on the bridge. This is new bypass. This will connect to the Verna industry, but still it's not open here. It's only for the bikes now. So I'll try to show you this road today. All the traffic will pass from this side now, from this road after it's opening. This side is the industry behind me. I'll go up to there and try to show you that. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then, let's go. Okay guys, this is the industry area Verna in Goa, and further it's Vasco straight away, and this road will connect to the main road there, Madgaon to Panaji, around 3 kilometers maybe from here, this side, and this will connect to the other side of the industry there. I'll tell you about this road. This road is not open yet, means only the bikes can go from this side. If this road got open, all the traffic will come from this side and connect to the Karnataka highway, other side from Borim, Ponda, that side. So they are trying to open this. I don't know when they will open this. This all Vasco traffic trucks will go on this road after this. So it's around 3 kilometers maybe long stretch they have here in this area. So I'll end this video from here. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. See you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.